In his statement, Meghalaya's Health Services Director Dr. Aman War has appealed to all health workers across the state to go ahead with getting themselves immunized against the dreaded coronavirus and not to give ear to hearsay or rumors about the harmful effects of the vaccine.
This is a protection and a prevention for us. So now I appeal to all the health workers across the state. Take advantage of what has been offered, lest in later days and months to come you may regret. So as we are getting the vaccine now, which we know is sufficient, I once again urge that you have been trained on health matters. Use your knowledge of what has been imparted to you and don't listen to any Tom, Dick, Harry, Mary, whatever it is, that this vaccine is going to cause any harm.
Dr. Aman War also informed the media that till date, from a total of 33,185 workers who belong to both public and private institutions across the state, 7,600 of them have been vaccinated.
Till today, we have vaccinated 7,600 health workers, and we have a total of about 33,185. So it comes to about 23%.